Hello friends, welcome to Vriksha Farms Private Limited. We are the manufacturers of pure cold pressed oil. Today we are extracting groundnut oil from the naturally grown groundnut seeds. So the cold pressed unit is this. This is a wooden drum and a wooden rod inside which goes and crushes the seeds of all types of seeds whichever we put in. So right now groundnut oil, you can see fresh groundnut oil. I can smell it and it works wonders because it is not processed with any chemical treatment, any additives to it, any preservatives to it. So this oil, when we open the knob below, will be stored in the steel drums, and after 2 days it settles down the residue and we pack the oils. We have our customers all around the country and many of are very enthusiastic and interested. They keep on asking about how to start the unit, how we work, what are the difficulties, what are the challenges we face during the extraction. So we are in the process of helping everyone with the correct guidance of how to get the machine, how to start the cold pressed unit, what certifications are required from government, how to do the packaging, everything. So if you are interested in learning this, you can simply call us on 95946 42000, or you can email us on vrikshfarms@gmail.com, and we will be very happy to help you, because the more and more cold pressed units are starting in Mumbai, the less consumption of refined oil will be there among people, which is really dangerous for health. Cold pressed oil is very, very good for health. We at Vriksha Farms Private Limited believe in 100% natural, 100% chemical free and 100% pure oil. We have extraction of around 10 to 11 oils, including groundnut oil, mustard oil, black mustard oil, yellow mustard oil, sesame oil, black sesame oil, flaxseed oil, safflower oil, almond oil, sunflower oil and coconut oil. We need to clean the drum every time we extract one kind of oil, and we do believe to give our customers the fresh batch of oils. So we don't extract in bulk, we extract fresh oils and keep producing fresh oil in a small batch. Thank you.